Gavin Seim, and we are here in the Cascadas, Fresno in Mexico State for the new BlackRoom. Think on the sunsets. We're gonna get some awesome sunset stuff here. It's gonna be cool.
Words can't let them bring you down. Still,
We're gonna shoot the fall and we're gonna do some black and white today, but we're gonna edit it more than just with raw. BlackRoom is really amazing because it uses the gradient map technology of Photoshop. It's as simple as running the master tool, you get a great conversion, and then you can come down and you can run the foundry tools for quick, intelligent, gorgeous combinations that you can tweak to your heart's content. You have curves, you have plates for things like details and effects and grain and sharpening and base mod tools. And when you click them, they intelligently add into your group, and then you can control your group as one. You can control the layers, you can control the intensity of the overall effect. It takes all these complex things in Photoshop and all the layers and all the things you can do, and it just puts them right at your fingertips. We'll do a full training video, but I can literally just show you the fundamentals in like a minute. See, I have the BlackRoom loaded up here in the actions palette. I'm in button mode, which gives us a very nice color-coded panel interface that's built into BlackRoom. I'm just gonna run the master tool. BlackRoom starts with the master tool. You run the master tool and it builds all your layers and groups and everything you need to give you an instant black and white conversion out of the gate. But then we can come in and do whatever we want with it. We also have the zones map, so we can see our zones in real time as we edit and control. So BlackRoom has built all of these layers and all these controls, and as we build in BlackRoom, it's just adding the layers intelligently. It knows where to put everything, and we can add any effect. The foundry tools are right here at the top, and you can see if I run something like Ansel Light, it's actually gonna run a series, a whole bunch of different actions from right here within BlackRoom, and then it's going to give us a finished effect. And then you can see down here, we can control everything. We can control the mix intensity, but we can actually control dynamic range and density and the feel of the tone by simply using the map tweak. So if I want a no clip map, I can do this, and it's going to keep my highlights and blacks from clipping instantly without affecting any of my other layers. I can do a high key mood. I can do a dark mood. So the more advanced things that we want to do on our best images is made easy in BlackRoom, and it's just incredible, and I'm super proud of this product. We've put a lot of work into taking all this scripting and all these tools and all this complexity and making it simple and putting you in charge so that you can make your signature look.